Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In order to create an unmatched mobile living experience, the interior of the fictitious 2026 luxury Volkswagen Modern Future Camper would be a painstakingly designed mix of German engineering expertise, minimalist design, and cutting-edge technology. As soon as one stepped inside, they were immediately surrounded by a calm, sophisticated, and user-friendly environment that was very different from the practical view of conventional RVs. The interior design would be guided by the concept of intelligent minimalism. Surfaces would be spotless, clutter-free, and made from a well-balanced combination of premium and sustainable materials. Anticipate cool, touch-sensitive composite panels and soft, welcoming textiles manufactured from organic or recycled fibers contrasted with matte-finished natural wood veneers, possibly from forests that are ethically managed. With modest, integrated ambient lighting that can be adjusted to fit any mood or time of day, the color scheme would probably trend toward earthy tones, muted grays, and warm whites. The design would be incredibly flexible and versatile, catering to the wide range of demands of contemporary tourists. At the press of a button, living areas might be easily converted from cozy lounges to quiet dining places or productive workspaces. In order to maximize usable space while not in use, furniture like tables and chairs would probably be seamlessly integrated into the structure and made to fold, slide, or retract. There would be many multipurpose surfaces, possibly with built-in control interfaces and wireless charging pads. Discreetly, technological integration would be at the forefront. All of the controls for the car and the house would be centralized on a large-format OLED display that might be retractable. This would feature real-time navigation, entertainment systems, lighting plans, and climate control. The minimalist look would be enhanced by voice activation and simple gesture controls, which would reduce the need for physical buttons. Slick access to online services, streaming media, and remote work capabilities would be guaranteed by advanced connectivity, which includes Wi-Fi 6 and fast 5G integration. Comfort and rejuvenating sleep would be given top priority in the sleeping rooms. Modern memory foam mattresses and integrated smart textiles that control temperature and offer individualized support are possible features of beds. Storage options would be cleverly concealed, making use of every available space without sacrificing the vehicle's elegant appearance. They might even include smart lockers that are accessible from the inside as well as the outside. The restrooms and kitchen would be small, but surprisingly roomy and very effective. The appliances would be high-end, integrated, and energy efficient. They might have compact convection ovens, induction cooktops, and sophisticated water filtration systems. With its sophisticated fixtures and water-saving smart showers, the bathroom would provide a spa-like experience. One important theme would be environmental sensitivity. The RV may have smart energy management to maximize battery utilization from solar panels or external hookups, sophisticated air purification systems, and waste management solutions that encourage recycling and reduce environmental effect in addition to sustainable materials. The interior of the 2026 luxury Volkswagen Modern Future Motorhome would essentially redefine mobile life by providing an elegant, cutting-edge, and environmentally conscious space that seems less like a car and more like a high-tech, minimalist haven on wheels.